everybody. It's Angie Rupert from Rupert Law Group. We handle almost exclusively E2 and E1 visas. So no matter what treaty country you're from or what state you want to be in, we can help. So today we're going to talk a little bit about those who want E2 visas from the UK. So the UK does have a couple of special considerations that we'd like to talk about today. So number one, the relationship between the UK and the United States is a very special relationship, and in fact, they've had a treaty in place since the 19th century. It's one of the oldest treaties that the United States has regarding the E1 and E2 visas. However, this treaty, because it was written so long ago, is a very special treaty, and it is the only one in the world that requires the applicant to live in England, Wales, or Scotland at the time of application. They must be residing there. So what does this mean? This means that we need at least 1 to 2 months worth of bank statements showing charges around the country, and we also need some sort of living situation, either a mortgage statement or a rental agreement or something similar to that, so we can see where you're living and that you're actually physically present, okay, for at least 6 to 10 weeks before the application. That's kind of the time frame that we definitely want to show that you're residing in the UK. So what about people who are already in the United States on another type of visa? Yes, this is kind of one of those strange situations. However, what we will need to do is show that at the time you got the first visa, however you're currently here, you were residing in the UK at that time. Okay, so that's a really special consideration. If you are a UK citizen but you're residing somewhere else and you want to get the E2, just note that you will probably need to be in the UK for at least 6 to 10 weeks before we file the application at the US Embassy in London to show that you're residing in the UK. That's number one. Number two is that the US Embassy in London has a special E2 visa unit. This is amazing news. They're very well trained. They understand the requirements of the E2 visa very, very specifically. And we've always had great luck in London working with the officers there. Our clients have done very well at those interviews, and we've helped a lot of clients from the UK. So with those two considerations in mind, and many others, I'm sure we would love to speak with you about your E2 visa. So if you're a UK citizen, or if you're any kind of treaty country citizen, we'd love to talk with you. Please reach out anytime to talk about the E2 visa and how we can help.